Now we'll prepare our chestnut before we soak them. I have with me over here 300 grams of chestnut. Now in Singapore, when you buy the chestnut, right, normally they already remove part of the shell. But the important thing is, it's quite difficult to remove the membrane. So I'm going to show how I'm going to do this. Okay. Using a pair of scissors, just cut off the top part where the shell is no longer there. Just like this will be fine. Okay. Something like this will be good. Continue to finish up everything and then we'll soak them in water for 10 minutes. If the chestnut were to float on the water, that means it's spoiled. Please throw them away. Now, in case you do not want to go through the hassle of doing this or using raw chestnut, you can always opt for those that's ready to eat. But the flavor will be slightly different as with the time that we put it in and cook it with the chicken. Now we'll boil our chestnuts. Make sure that the water is boiling. I'm using medium heat right now. Add everything in. We're just going to boil this for 8 minutes. Every now and then, just give this a light stir. 8 minutes is up and we'll turn off the flame and remove the chestnut from heat. But I love the chestnut to be sitting in the hot water and I'll tell you why in a while. Now we'll remove the shell and the membrane from the chestnut. It is important to remove them while the chestnut is still hot. Hence, I like them to sit in the hot water. Remove one piece out. Tap it with a piece of towel or paper towel. It will be hot, so just be careful. Now normally you'll be able to use your fingernails to tear off the skin as well as the membrane. But right now, I've cut my fingernails really short, so I need the help of a sharp knife. And I'll show you how I do this. You can hold it like this so that you won't burn your own fingers. And then using a sharp knife, I'm just going to peel off the skin over here like this. Okay, now it's very easy to hold already, not that hot. Just put it down like this towards the part where the shell meets the skin. Continue to do this. When you have more or less peeled off the outer layer like this, we'll go to the shell. A little bit of strength will be needed, just a little bit will be fine. You see, it's so easy. Just continue. Ta-da! Very simple. Continue to finish up the rest and I'll show you the next step after this.